are, in fact, the second city. Our names are...
Hi, I'm Vernon Mina.
And hi, I'm Shad Kunkel.
Hi, and I am Butch Jarenick. I am a lady. Hi. You may or may not know who Viola Spolin is. She's the godmother of improvisation. And she began her career working with immigrant students as a social worker. And she came up with these theater and improv games to really help children assimilate into their new surroundings. So a lot of what you will be doing today comes from that foundation of being able to adapt to our audience, use all of ourselves to make that connection and adjust. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Come on, and go! Let me just ask you this, shout out, what do you think of when you hear the word improvisation? Imagination, yeah. Spontaneity. To get us started, all I need is a location that could fit on the stage, like a bathroom or a Starbucks, but neither of those. A VIP classroom! I heard with enthusiasm. We take you to this VIP classroom.
I know you're freaking out.
I'm
okay?
freaking out.
It's a lot to take in.
There's so much to take in. I'm getting nervous. I'm getting the sweats. You know what always happens to me when I get a lot of anxiety? I
just puke everywhere.
I just puke everywhere.
Don't!
Oh my gosh!
I caught it.
Yeah,
it's
okay.
okay.
Just remember what I've always told you, and that is...
Just don't let your cat eat it.
And scene! Give them a round of applause. We are going to remove the luxury of language from your ability to connect. So you're going to speak gibberish. So go ahead and introduce yourselves to each other like peers. Pause. Now you are greeting a grandparent. Now, how would you engage one of your 5-year-old VIP kids on the street?
Dr. Know-It-All. Please give a round of applause to Dr. Know-It-All. And the first question is, how great is it being part of VIPKid?
It is
amazing,
awesome, and
stupendous.
very
frequently. Like to say thank you so much for your time, your attention, and your energy, because we know you have been on a journey today. So we appreciate everything you gave back to us. Again, I'm Butch.
I'm Shad.
And I'm Vernon.
Thank you so much. Goodbye, everyone.